how to delete apps from iCloud. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, to delete apps from your iCloud, you'll need to go to Settings, tap on your name at the top. Now go to iCloud, then go to the Storage. Now choose the app that you want to delete. Once you open it up, you can see delete data from iCloud option. This will delete all WhatsApp Messenger data stored in iCloud and any devices syncing to your iCloud. So you can just tap on it and then tap on delete. So you can tap on permanently delete. So this is how you delete apps from your iCloud that is taking up too much space. So you can do the same with other apps as well. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.